How to hide page title on Shopify. Hey there, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can hide your page title on Shopify. So first go to your Shopify admin panel and then on the left panel go to online store. Now go to customize. Now on the top select your pages and then you will see all of your page here. Just select the page. And this is the page title, so I am going to hide this. Just click on that and then on the left side here you will see template and pages. Just click on this eye icon and then it will be removed. After that click on save and there you go. So let's check our site. So the page title removed, and that's how you can remove page title. Hope that this video helped you out. If you found this helpful, please consider to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.